Hello and welcome to Deutsch Unterricht mit Parul. Our topic for today is Begrüßungen auf Deutsch, greetings in German. In this video, we'll learn some common ways to greet in German. I will be sharing some helpful tips on how to use the greetings and avoid common mistakes while communicating. Then we will go through some mini dialogues which will help you to use the greetings in real life situations. Lastly, we will practice the pronunciation of the new phrases that we will learn. This will help you to pronounce them with correct intonation, stress and rhythm. Here are some common ways to greet in German. Hallo. Hallo. It means hello in English. It can be used in both formal and informal situations, such as greeting friends, acquaintances, and colleagues. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. This means good morning in English. It is used to greet someone in the morning when entering a workplace, meeting someone for breakfast, or when greeting friends or family in the morning. It can be used in both formal and informal situations. The appropriate time to use this greeting is until 11 a.m. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. It means good day. It is used throughout the day from around 11 a.m. until evening. And it can be used in both formal and informal situations. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. This means good evening. It is used when meeting someone in the evening or at night. This is generally used from around 6 p.m. until bedtime and can be used in both formal and informal situations. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. This means good night. It is used before going to bed or when saying bye to someone at the end of the day and can be used in both formal and informal situations. Schlaf schön. Schlaf schön. It means sleep well. It is a common way of saying good night or wishing someone a good night's sleep and can be used in place of Gute Nacht. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. It means goodbye. This is a formal way of saying goodbye and also means see you again. It is commonly used in meetings, interviews, or used to say bye to someone you do not know well. Tschüss. Tschüss. It means bye or goodbye. It is used in informal situations and can be used when saying bye to friends, colleagues, acquaintances in an informal situation. Bis später. Bis später. This means see you later. It is an informal way of saying goodbye to someone with the intention of seeing them again soon. Here are now some helpful tips to use these greetings like a pro. The first and the foremost, use appropriate titles. In German, it is common to use titles when addressing someone in a formal situation. You can use the title Herr for Mr. and Frau for Miss or Mrs., followed by the last name. Secondly, always pay attention to gender. In German, nouns are assigned to a gender. Therefore, it is important to use the correct gender when using a greeting. Adding pleasantries such as Wie geht es Ihnen, which means how are you, or Schön Sie zu treffen, which means nice to meet you, can help make your greetings more polite and friendly. Use formal greetings for formal situations. When meeting someone in a formal setting, one should use Guten Morgen, Guten Tag, Guten Abend to greet someone. Use informal greetings in informal situations. In case of informal situations, one can use hello or hi. Let us now move to our mini dialogue section. Here you will see a conversation between two people. We will first look at an informal situation and then a formal one. Hallo, wie geht es dir? Which means, hello, how are you? Hallo, mir geht es gut, danke. Und dir? Hello, I'm good, thank you. And you? Mir geht es auch gut, danke. Schön dich zu sehen. I'm good too, thank you. Good to see you. Schön dich auch zu sehen. Bis bald. Good to see you too. See you soon. Bis bald. See you soon. Now a formal situation. Guten Tag. Mein Name ist Herr Schmidt. Ich freue mich, Sie kennenzulernen. Good day. My name is Mr. Schmidt. I'm glad to meet you. Guten Tag, ich bin Frau Müller. Das freut mich auch. Good day, my name is Miss Müller. Nice to meet you too. Wie geht es Ihnen heute? How are you today? Mir geht es gut, danke. Und Ihnen? I'm good, thanks. And you? Mir geht es auch gut, danke. Vielen Dank für Ihre Zeit. Auf Wiedersehen. I'm good too, thanks. Thank you for your time. Goodbye. Auf Wiedersehen, Herr Schmidt. Es war nett, Sie kennenzulernen. Goodbye, Mr. Schmidt. It was a pleasure meeting you. In these dialogues, you must have noticed that we have taken care of all the important points while communicating. We have used formal greetings in formal situations, used pleasantries, used titles, and paid attention to the gender. It's now time to practice the pronunciation of the phrases we have learned today. I would be repeating the phrases twice. Listen them carefully and repeat after me. Begrüßungen. Begrüßungen. Hallo. Hallo. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Guten Abend. Guten Abend. Gute Nacht. Gute Nacht. Schlaf schön. Schlaf schön. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss. Tschüss. Bis später. Bis später. I hope you practiced along with me. Keep practicing, students. I will see you in the next class. Tschüss.